Do you know that feeling? You choose your travel destination, decide you want to shoot photos, make a film about the place. You pack your camera gear, you hop on the plane, drive to the location to capture that gorgeous sunset. You stop. How am I gonna edit this? You capture a bunch of beautiful footage during your trip. You come home, save the files. You put one clip after another, again and again. But something feels missing. Meaning. I was always struggling with my travel films. How can they feel more like a short film with a message, instead of a montage with a bunch of beautiful shots? Lately, I've been trying to approach them more like a director, putting my thoughts into them, telling stories through my experiences, or even creating fictional worlds within them. So here are my thoughts on how to create more meaningful travel films. First, you have to decide what your focus is. Do you want to tell a story? Explore a theme? Document the journey? Then you need a few things. If you're traveling with someone, ask them to act in the film, or try acting yourself. The place you're in can also be a character, or even the main topic. Gear. Keep it minimal. My favorite setup is a small camera, like my Sony a7 IV or a Nikon ZR, with maximum of 3 lenses. But honestly, I use my 24-70 2.8 for almost everything. In my recent travel film for the Nikon ZR announcement, we focused on one character. She had one simple goal, to be free and experience the world. But in the meantime, she locked away her soul into a cabin, so she could experience everything without holding back. The conflict was that she couldn't process these moments without a home or without her soul. Eventually, her soul breaks free and starts experiencing everything she had lived through. She begins running from it, but in the end, she has nowhere to go. So she accepts that she needs time to process everything. She and her shadow collide and merge into one. You don't have to make it that complex. But traveling feels so much more meaningful when it's connected to a project like this. Another approach is working with different kinds of themes. When I was shooting in Japan, Iceland, or in New York, I also captured simple travel footage alongside my work. At home, I wanted to give it meaning, so I placed the clips on the timeline and started thinking about themes I experienced in those places. In Japan, I became interested in the Inari shrines and their origins. I researched the topic and wrote a short poem-like text. In Iceland, I was amazed by the glacier rivers, so I wrote a short poem about where they come from and what they mean to the island. Sometimes I use these as text, sometimes as voiceover. In Madeira, I based the story on my friend Balint's experience as a photographer. He described the island's raw and hectic nature, and I tried to reflect that in the editing.
Küzd az emberrel. Az ember pedig próbál vele együtt élni. Az óceánnal, a hullámokkal, a viharral. Itt minden hatás sokkal erősebbnek érződik.
In New York, I focused on the city's constant movement. I built a voiceover around the problem of our busy lives and structured the film with the text animations leading to a conclusion.
We allow ourselves the space to rest, recharge, and connect with what truly matters.
Through this process, I learned so much about these places. Just a quick tip from another category. During the editing process, I took a break to go to the Dolomites with my friend Balint. I wanted to create something from the trip, so I brought my tripod and I took a few hiking shots of us on different trails. I selected only the best shots and turned them into a swipeable Instagram post. It's a great way to look back on the trip. I want to experiment with this format in the future if I want to create something simple. And there's the simplest and the most genuine type of travel film. These are like short documentaries, no big story, no explanation. Me and my friends hiking in the mountains, arguing.
De szerintetek ezt meg tudjuk csinálni? Én szerintem meg tudjuk.
De akkor meg haladjunk már. Te ne kamarál.
Laughing, getting exhausted, enjoying small moments together. Sometimes I cut out the music completely to keep it raw.
Mert rajtam kívül még van 3 ember, aki valószínűleg szereti a paprikát, és egyébként a Norbi
felhívott a Norbi, és én mondtam, hogy nem szeretem a paprikát.
Other times the music just follows the mood of the place or the action. These are the films that we come back to. Not because they are perfect, but because they are real. It doesn't have to be about the sunsets and the most beautiful shots. Try capturing real moments with the people you care about. At the beginning, I filmed everything. Every sunset, every sunrise, people walking in the forest, people staring into the sun. Drone shots, because it all looked great. I think it's completely fine to capture your travels, put your favorite music under them, and enjoy those memories from time to time. But for me, travel films can be so much more than just vibes. Next time, try to say something with them. Visuals matter, but the most genuine impact comes from you, your ideas, and how to reflect them through the places you visit. If you have any questions about travel films, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching as always, and bye.